Hi, Pulingla. Good morning. So welcome to this class. This is for 12th NCERT kids. NCERT kids matrices. आज हम देख रहे हैं exercise 3.1 में. Okay, let's start this. So you're given a matrix. Let's say this is the matrix. Okay, the matrix consists of the elements 2, 5, 19, minus 7, going by row wise. Okay, ये क्या है? रो है, रो 1, right? और ये रो 2 और ये रो 3. Okay, so how many rows are there? कितने rows हैं इसमें? 3 rows. 3 rows irka? Yes. So now how many columns? Let's see how many columns are there. This is column 1. Okay, this is column 2, you have column 3 and column 4. So the vertical ones are columns, right? So you have 4 columns and 3 rows. 3 rows and 4 columns. So how should you represent the order of the matrix? So the order of the matrix usually has to be represented by rows, number of rows by number of columns. So in this case, कितने rows है इसमें? 3 rows है. 3 rows और columns कितना है? 4. So the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Is 3 by 4, right? So write the number of elements. What will be the number of elements? The number of elements will be literally 3 into 4. 3 into 4, how many? How much is 3 into 4? That is 12. ठीक है? 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of elements is 12. Okay. Okay. So the next question they are asking, write the elements. Specifically, they are asking for the elements. Okay. Asking for the elements. Write the elements A 1 3, A 2 1, A 3 3, A 3 3. Okay. 2 1, A 3 3, or A 2 4, A 2 4, and then you're asked to write the next element, which is, what is that? A 2 3. Okay, let's see one by one. A 1 3, which is this one? A 1 3, row 1, column 3. Row 1, column 3 is 19. So A 1 3 is equal to 19. What about the next one? A 2 1. So A 2 1 is second row and the first column. Second row, first column. So that is equal to 35. Right? What about the A 3 3? A 3 3 is third row, third column. Third row, 1 2 3, third row, third column, this one. So this is A 3 3, which is equal to minus 3. Right? Follow kar rahe hai na? Everyone? Okay, what about A 2 4? Row number 2, column number 4. Row number 2, column number 4 is this. So this is equal to 12. What about A 2 3? Row number 2, column number 3. Row number 2, column number 3 is 5 by 2. Okay, so this is 5 by 2. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. So in this one, they're saying if a matrix has 24 elements, matrix has how many elements? 24 elements. Okay? 24. Or what are the possible orders? So what are the orders it can have? So recollect what I told last time. It has to be, number of elements is nothing but the product of rows and columns. Product of rows and columns. Okay? So if rows and columns is equal to 24, so what are the possible ways of having 24? Let's say 24. So 1 into 24 is 24. Yeah. And 24 into 1 is also 24. Okay. Okay. And then 2. 2 into 12 is 24. 12 into 2 is also 20. So let's see, if this is row, this is column, right? So this is also 24. Okay. And then, right? Okay. And then Also, you have 24 is equal to 3 into 8, right? 3 into 8 is 24. 8 into 3 is also 24, right? So it can be 3 rows and 8 columns, or 8 rows and 3 columns. Also, you can have 4 rows and 6 columns, or you can have 6 rows and 4 columns. So these are the possible orders for this matrix, which has how many elements? 24 elements, right? So if the thing has 24 elements, then all you can say is, all you can say is these are the possible orders of the matrix. So one row and 24 columns, 24 rows and one column, 2 rows and 12 columns, 12 rows and 2 columns, and or 3 rows and 8 columns, 8 rows and 3 columns, 4 rows and 6 columns, or 6 rows and 4 columns. Okay, these are the possible orders for this given matrix consisting of how many elements? 24 elements, right? Very good. Next one. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 18 elements. So the third question is, this is all here, if it is 18 elements. So what do you have to do now? So find out what are all the possibilities. 18, so 1 into 18, or 18 into 1, okay? It can have 2 into 9, or 9 into 2, and it can be 3 into 6, or 6 into 3, right? Right? Anything else? 4. So you saw with 1, saw with 2, saw with 3. Okay? 4, there is no 4. So the possible orders for the matrix can be either 1 by 18, or 18 by 1, or 2 by 9, or 9 by 2, or 3 by 6, or 6 by 3. These are the possible orders of the matrix. Okay? And what about the next one? Let's see, what if it has 5 elements? If it has, let's say, 5 elements. So what are the possible orders, guys? Can you tell me? Correct. So it can have 1 row and 5 column, or it can have 5 rows and 1 column, right? Very good. Okay. Excellent. So with this, we have seen 3 problems. Let's go to before going to the next one, let's have I'll put it in the next video. Let's